Morning all, today is the 2nd of October. I tried to record this video yesterday but unfortunately due to too much rain it wasn't successful, so today is my second attempt. I've just realised to date I've been a wee bit lax with content and I'm just sort of putting up a quick video as to what I'm up to and what I'll be planning to do into the winter months. So I've been working on a couple of projects here but sort of in the background and not really documenting it, so I need to sort of just try and get back onto that. Yesterday I have started making some space in the tunnel, which I'll show you shortly, and all of my Aeoniums that have been outside have now moved in there, and this will be their winter home basically right through into the new year, I suppose, when it's mild enough to put them back out again. There's currently no risks of frost at the moment and they could have stayed out longer. There's no issue keeping them out longer, and to be honest I like to keep them out as long as I can, but due to heavy rainfall that is now starting to fall, I like them in a wee bit sooner before they get too wet, just so they don't rot over the winter time. So I'm not bringing them in because the temperatures are dropping, I'm just bringing them in due to moisture levels being higher than what they had been previously in the summer. Other jobs that I'm up to this month, I will show you. Round the side of the polytunnel there was 3 veg plots just in a sort of timber frame structure. I sort of put them there in quite an impromptu way, didn't really think about it properly, and this is kind of my main rule. I'm contradicting myself here, but before you put any structure in anywhere, do think, is that the most practical place for it? In this case, no, it wasn't the most practical place, so I'm having to move them just out of the way. Still doing veg next year, it's just I put 3 of the veg plots in the wrong location, and what I plan to do is get some sand, hopefully this incoming week or the following week, just to level a flat surface beside the tunnel. I'm going to put some membrane down. Now usually I preach about not using membrane, and I don't. There's no membrane used anywhere in Yew Cottage with exception to the tunnel floor inside the tunnel. It's the only place I have membrane, and I use it in there because instead of having an earth floor in the tunnel, I just wanted a surface that I could sweep up, so I use it to sweep up, and that's kind of what I'm doing here. I'm putting a flat surface outside the tunnel and I'm going to use it as an area just to set all my plants, because what I realised this year as my first trial with the tunnel, I realised that I need more space around it to set plants out, so that's what that's for. And in what I've currently been calling my winter border, which I might rename or rebrand, it is this border I started Christmas 2021 and I haven't got it finished yet. In fact, I haven't even started yet. I put my 3 large cannas in there just throughout the year to fill up some space, and they've looked fantastic in there, but those are going to come out today as well and join the Aeoniums in the tunnel. That will be their winter home now until next year. I'm also starting to delve into water collection this year. Currently my first water butt has now been installed and it is working great. I love it to bits. I have 210 free litres of free rainwater just sitting there ready to go, so I'm really happy about that, and I hope to get more very soon. Hello you! So this is Poppy, hello you, and Ellie and Lily. So you might remember earlier in the spring, Lily or Sprocker had 8 puppies. Poppy and Ellie have decided that they're living with us now forevermore. Those are all the jobs I will be doing throughout October, November, possibly into December. There will be other updates to come, but if anybody has any questions about this video or you just want to ask me something, please leave me a comment or send me a message and I will try and answer as best I can. And yeah, as usual, just thank you for everybody's support so far. It really does honestly mean a lot, and I try to get back to everybody as best I can, so thank you so much. Bye.